Mama wakwaba wafreme ajua searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo Ghana fo bi enomo ekase na omo ekire se Subanya Nansen Honorable Kennedy akompreko e Japan e danedi e wo social media no. Why na sisi Ghana fo bebre ehu se politicians Jimmy enomo ejimi yen. Omo ekire se Honorable Amana Ghana fo ebimo anase yen nyina mpo e weka ya ate ase because politicians no eba abonte ebe claim say omo ye enemies but omo fi ho no omo koshia sika wona no wochedi bibia wona no wochedi nti na Honorable Kennedy akompreko Japan kasa no ayo too much edoso mana ontenase na on relax kakra ebusuafo denti e na Ghana fo bi e kase na nsen Honorable Kennedy akompreko Japan e de ensembia betudwa afa eye bantama MP Honorable Asenso Boache na ensema eye Honorable eken na ne say abra all press NPP fo beto aba e de amano no Honorable and support no wan support the dia ene na bantama ho no me no so onya seat ni ndana so china ode ni nua ni junior brother Raf akohonom so onko ene eye owura Asenso Boache enkosie ni ene nsem na ye bebre na ensemi ekosi no Honorable aba abonti abeka se bantama omo anto aba no afama ni junior brother na secret or de beba afa Honorable Asenso Boache no ye secret ketwa NPP bobo na Ghana so ejato na de secret nko a na sensemi ekosi na efia pokua vim lady or the old video be a Honorable Kennedy akompreko Japan sa old video no na Honorable a company didn't e de ama Honorable Asenso Boache na video no na vim lady e comment wase na o kire say it no became a Japan they campaign for Asenso here so what's changed between them watch out for this seats this 2024 na ebusuafo yenhwe video no kakra
Ejuma pa Honorable Asenso ba ye waye ahobrasia enyuma awanyama emrantie ne maba awa this constituency ani na di don talk for do ejuma pa waye enu nti na emrantie ne maba awa mo twa hahia se mo mo se mabo ejuma pa Honorable Asenso ba ye waye ahobrasia enyuma awanyama emrantie ne maba awa this constituency ani na di don talk for do ejuma pa waye enu nti na emrantie ne maba awa
ebusuafo ene video no na wa hwe no Honorable na those days na all campaign den e de ema Honorable Asenso Boache e ba ne sei na ende fofia nto ata bibia fefia aye basai na video e ba out no na Ghana fo bi e de omo adwenkyere e bai we eye mata ankoma ababa wa so no fefefe oyisini ya yente no assemble ni day no be campaign na o kire say I hope the youth are watching and learning and when so chocolate vanilla and I kire say he was against his presidential ambition when so Asari and I kire say NPP in Kasasa but I think Wafahas bipolar and I when so Michael and I kire say papa we dear now I can't even trust him boy okay and I when so mame and I kire say wabro always living on threats if not you or yours then it should not be any other meanwhile you are in the same party why na Ghana for no market come adwen e de Honorable Kennedy akompreko Japan say jealousy no yadoso enye wa na enye wonu bia e ma na enye obi a mana
the propaganda that you hear in fact the fact that you hearing the propaganda no, means say
it is causing problem
it is causing problem I mean me constituencies bear me and san na ewo down hanuma campaign me ko bi no a friend say because e baako a friend say Nankwansre. So unimun I can no butchers.
Oh, Nankwansre for
Butchers association. They say papa baako de was say hey my idea papa ye beto ama na yen ni himfoni ezongo himfoni ye wona. This is our assignment ye be. It is say ukwa that sentiment is very much there.
Meaning said they want Bawumi Antina here just a few of the southern zongos no na air kasa propaganda way.
So it's one co a year and only a full advantage. The only problem we have, as I said, apathy from our core members, particularly in the city of Kumasi and the city of Accra. Okay,
the apathy is there.
Your campaign, a honor, a concentration bill. Say it minya a month for my own tears. You know, the baba which rabani we move forward now. Yeah, show up near Kotoaba. MPP doesn't have a problem. Okay.
Yeah. For you, we should be rest assured, say, choosing Bawumia was not a mistake, and that he's going to pull the weight as yeah. May I personally believe, say Enya Bawumia, MPP should forget even coming to power, because before Amokoto Saba will na me yam sheshe no, and I'm someone and crowfire then I can. And in any case, why wouldn't you want to change a tag a positive tag? You have the opportunity to change that tag. So this is a party for all, like you said, an all-inclusive party, whereby it doesn't matter where you're from, but rather what substance that is in you that could be used by the party is what they go by. You should have thrown that away and then just say it's okay. We are canning would have been very bad. Mr. Sam, 1 hour and ayaka the next 5 minutes. Now, Odiama closing remarks. Number to me toward the rest of the program. But for the next 5 minutes, you could give us what you want to tell us.
Thank you, Slim Fresh. I thank you very much and say allow me opportunity to speak to our people. The American say there will be asi na abato ni politics na idea edi say nipa now pese nyina baby efa presidential parliamentary so ama still no the party moves on. Nti wa mama nyina nka mum na yenye adwuma no towards 2024 November December election no estre ubia. Yeah, the American say policies are Dr. Adebano. It's what the nation needs. The inclusive policies now, you know, Adebano, where it's a FA ID system, FA school system, FA even a humani bibiana. Policies are ubia nya ebambi to contribute and also to benefit. You know, and na ebe boy in say na contribute to kakrawa and ebeboa enti the extra say to say so no campaign afina so we will come to everybody for help yene wo abuchire no Canada, Toronto and beyond overseas ni ade no mama ye support na because in fact if you don't do that and get to bring this manner me worry ni say enema pi no ebeko ye cheaper. So for example minim say Bawumia ene wo ho a enka ID system a ye kan ho asem instead of right now around 17-18 million people holding Ghana card no they say Bawumia na president I can tell you so, and I believe say by now no enka 30 million
majority of us
ID. And again, like I started with, you know, fundamentals are very important. It's something we need before we move forward. Enti Mr. Remo said, "Minim say mama ba Ghana card, for example, ono improve no ono so obe jayama ebe sign aye. I said the President Kufuor started ya say for that alone, you know, Mr. Mama yimpushi kwa mbia ebe fast wa Dr. Bawumia bana eyaye. Thank you.
Mr. Sam.
Yeah.
Mr. Sam.